make a few comments and a few observations and questions. I'm Steve Wolfson. I'm the Clark County District Attorney. Today you witnessed the initial arraignment for Mr. Manuel Ruiz. He has been charged with 2 counts of murder with use of a deadly weapon. Today was just the arraignment. He was informed of the charges. His next court date is in about 3 weeks because he's indicated a desire to potentially hire private counsel. I would like to talk about some things. I've received a lot of inquiries and a lot of questions about the safety of this community, in particular the Las Vegas Strip. I will tell you that I believe the Las Vegas community, and in particular the Las Vegas Strip, is one of the most safest communities in the country. We have about 40 million visitors a year, not to mention all of the employees, the thousands and thousands of employees that work on the Strip every single day. So there's a lot of people, literally thousands and thousands of people who traverse the area of the Las Vegas Strip. And it is a safe place. These are isolated incidents. And when you look at how many people actually visit the Las Vegas Strip, between the tourists, the residents, and the employees, the Strip is a very, very safe place. In fact, crime is down in the area of the Strip. So this incident involving Mr. Ruiz is extremely serious. I believe that justice will be served. But I want to assure this community and this country that Las Vegas is a safe place to visit. Some questions?
Diego, so there are some people saying that they believe that Manuel Ruiz's wife should also be facing criminal charges. Any comment on that?
Just that it's an ongoing investigation. This just happened a few days ago, and I'm confident that those are going to look at every single aspect of this case. If they submit something over to us for consideration, we'll consider it.
So this is a case where there was a lot of video capture from people who were on the Strip filming, as well as the cameras in the hotel. Does this make it easier for your office to prosecute?
Absolutely. In the last 5, 10, 15 years, with cameras everywhere, whether they be home surveillance, ring videos, or the commercial establishments, most of them have surveillance video. Prosecutions are a lot easier nowadays because oftentimes we have so much video.
Is the death penalty a possibility for your case? Is that something your office?
Well, this is a case involving the death of 2 innocent people. Whenever we have a situation where 2 people are killed, needlessly, senselessly, it's always an option, and that will be something we'll look at in the coming weeks.
What do you think about the self-defense claim?
It's probably garbage. There's no indication in any of the evidence at all that self-defense would be a problem. The weapons were found near the victims, on the victims. Nobody at all. All of the many interviews that have been done on this case by eyewitnesses talk about either of these folks having weapons or even appearing to reach for a weapon.
Can you talk about the ongoing conflict? Are you reviewing that? Because it seems like there was some sort of, since Halloween of 2023, there was some sort of conflict of going over online that led to the shooting.
Well, of course. We always look at motivation. Motivation is clear. It's reported extensively that these individuals knew each other and had an ongoing feud. Obviously, we're looking at every aspect. Absolutely.
And there was reports of some sort of assault that happened in this once or twice, pepper spray, there's some video, this goes back last year or so that we talked about the feud. Does that go into this at all?
Of course it does. We look at the behavior of everybody going back days, weeks, months, even years sometimes. Because we want to find out what caused Mr. Ruiz to do this. What were the circumstances surrounding it? We want to look at every single piece of information.
With that assault, either the 1 or 2 that happened, were there any charges that were maybe pending or?
Yeah, I've heard that this defendant was cited for misdemeanor battery a few weeks ago or a couple months ago. I'm not sure of the status. I believe that misdemeanor battery charge involved our male victim. All of these things will be looked at.
Is your office seeing more cases in recent years in which social media leads to violence, social media fights lead to violence?
I think the answer is yes. We didn't have social media a couple provides us with evidence to use in cases. So yes, it's a new world in the sense that social media oftentimes plays a real significant role in cases.
Have you been in contact with the victim's family?
I am not a social worker.
Do you know if he had any sort of criminal background? Because he claims to have a CCW to be right now.
I'm not sure. We're looking into that. I was told that he might have a CCW. I was also told that maybe he didn't, so I'm not sure.
Which defendant are you referring to? Ruiz?
Okay, anybody else? Going once, going twice. So thank you all very much.
Thank you.